I'm on the shopping app and then it hits me and I'm just like, who on earth is rich enough to sort the price from high to low? We are in a new background. This is my newly decorated fireplace for Valentine's Day. I just thought that it would be festive for you guys to kind of have this to look at. But that also means I'm standing up and I've never done a haul standing up. Also, I feel like my energy is a little bit low. I don't know what's up, but you guys seem to also really love when I don't edit my videos. So see, this is what I would have just edited out, all of my deep breaths. But I'm going to try to do this non-edited. I am going to be moving off camera since I'm standing up to reach for things, but let's do our usual Wednesday Dollar Tree haul, right? If you're new to my channel, I do Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And I just started decorating for Valentine's Day. I just did a Dollar Tree decorate with me and a DIY. So hopefully you guys have checked that out. If not, it's linked down below for you. Okay, I have several piles. I might be doing this, I'm sorry, but it's because I'm backed up to the bottom of this fireplace stand. I hope that I separated all this out the way that I wanted to, because I have, this is Wednesday's pile, Saturday's, and then Monday's pile. But anyway, who cares? You don't care. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing that stood out to me was this photo album. I love the plaid and I love the color combination of the green, the orange, and then when the orange overlaps over itself, it kind of looks red, but it's just a darker orange. And I thought this would be really cute. I know it's winter and we just passed fall of 2019, but my first thought when I saw this was this would be a really cute fall specific recipe book. And because I really want to get to the point where I'm cooking a lot more, and I think it would be fun to also separate my recipes for seasons. And that's just the first thing that I thought of for that. So good find for $1. Okay, I picked up some more cleaning gloves because I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning, winter cleaning, getting the spring cleaning going. And I picked up a pack of these sponges. I've never done that before. I don't think I've ever bought this type before, and it has 6 packs in here. I just thought that these would be really good to clean with. And it says hand shape, protect nails, multi-purpose. Protect nails? How the hell do you protect nails? I don't understand. I don't understand that. But I got this to do a massive clean. I don't typically do clean with me's on my channel every now and then. And actually, you see it on my vlog all the time because I vacuum and tidy up. But if you want like a dedicated clean with me, give this video a thumbs up. I probably would need to see a crazy number of likes to do it. But anyway, let me know. Okay, so I did a shop with me at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I got from that trip. I found these really cute gnomes. I'm not actually a gnome person, but I grabbed for them anyway. I just thought that they were really cute. Oh, look at them. Look at that. I love that their hats are different and that their jackets are different. Even their pants are different colors. I know that these little guys are like really popular and trendy to decorate for like Christmas or your garden. So I wanted to show you guys that these were available, but I have to be honest, I've never, for whatever reason, been, I don't gravitate towards, I guess, gnomes. Yeah, but I still think they were cute. Okay, next up, see, this is why I edit, but you would have seen this in that shop with me. I think I have picked this up before. My first reaction, my gut reaction was that I had never seen it, but looking at this again, I feel like I have bought this before and actually done something in a video with these. But they are really great storage items. I think this would be perfect to do in a guest bathroom, cotton balls, ear swabs, all of those things, cotton pads. But these would also be great in a craft room. I think craft rooms are getting a lot more popular for us women to have in our house, and this would be great to sort through beads and loose ribbon and maybe even washi tape. So I loved that. This find I was so excited about. I think they're gorgeous. Look at that, you get that scallop trimmed edge, and they're showing you gumballs in the photo. I am gonna be redoing like the media room and the display of candy and things like that, and I think these clear scalloped bins would be really cute for that. Also, it would be cute if you have like a game room or a media room of some sort, or even if you want to do like game night, these would be fun to fill up like dominoes and dice, maybe even what do you call those, the pool table balls? What are they? See, I know the name, it's there, but for whatever reason, it's not coming up, and I know that you guys are shouting at me through the screen, but I'm just saying from a media perspective, those are some really cute like decorating ideas, because it's clear so you'll be able to see whatever you put in here. I only found the 2, I need to find at least 2 more. Okay, let's see. I was really shook by the fact that there were magazines. I mean, I've seen magazines here and there at Dollar Tree, but it just seemed like the display I was looking at, like they were making this something permanent. So the ones that I found that I would actually want to use them as a point of reference was this hairstyles one. It shows you a bunch of hairstyles in here. So I thought that was really cool. And then I really liked the food ones. I mean, you know, this, if I found some sort of recipe that I thought I would like for fall, I could even maybe pull the recipe out of here, you know, just tear it out and then put it in this. Yeah, so it's really hard to stand up and kind of go through this. Let me grab this bag. All right, in that shop with me, you saw me point out the Merry Christmas balloons. I can't believe they were never out during Christmas at my store. So I don't know if somebody just kind of, you know, didn't put out the box, or maybe, I don't even know, who cares. But what I thought about, the reason why I went ahead and got these, I think these would be cute as like present toppers, right? Put a little balloon on top. Yeah, so we'll give that a go for next year. And then I've been looking for these for a while, probably because they don't put this out until spring. So it kind of makes sense why they're putting them out now, but they're just clay pots. I've done a couple of DIYs with these, and I have other ideas in mind. So I want to use these to make some decor for the house. And okay, so these Wacka packs, I understand that they're silly. 4 self-inflating balloons, and then you watch it. Wait, you smack the pack. Let me hold one up so that you can see while I read this out. You blow it up, smack the pack, watch and wait. Oh, and the balloon inflates. Oh, I thought it was reverse. I thought you inflate the balloon and then you whack it. Which I was just kind of like, why? But, whoa. I'm standing up, so I can't really demonstrate. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll have to do a little bit of editing, or unless I decide not to, but that's interesting. All right, so there's that. Let me go ahead and reach over here, grab another bag. Okay, I found another Valentine's Day tote, and it's hilarious. I've already hauled 2 of them, so this is my 3rd one, and I feel like unless they put out more, I've gotten every one that they have out. It says drive me crazy. I love the play on words and the 1950s, 60s automobile here. These totes are really great, but I do want to say, be careful when you're pulling this off. You want to gently pull the staple out as slowly as possible, because this bag rips like paper, and it's just, it will ruin your bag. So just be really careful, and both sides are the same thing. Okay, where do we go from here? All right, picked up some sticker supplies. The first thing I want to show you is this crafter square. It's called Pop Dot Tape. I've never heard of it. This is new. I'm really loving where they're headed with this crafter square stuff. It's a 3-piece Pop a Dot. It just looks like mounting foam type of tape. It's double-sided, acid-free, and it looks great for crafting. I don't know if it's a dot. I don't see any cut out circles, so I feel like that pop dot, I don't know, maybe that's a term for something. I don't know what that is, but, and all the sizes are different. The width, you can see there. So that's really cool. This is a must if you're into scrapbooking or pocket letters or just crafting, planning. You might love that. I'm not sure I have these wine glass stickers, but I got them anyway. I have a couple of the ones that look like perfume bottles and the mason jars, but I wasn't quite sure if I had the wine glasses. I thought those were really cute. I gravitate towards like fruity stickers. I love anything fruity. I love fruits. I love to decorate with them. I love the smell of them. So not surprising that I love the stickers too. The lemon is really adorable. They have like little eyes, so it gives them some personality. Not all of them have eyes like the apples don't. The pear's cute. Here is this version, but some of them have the wiggly eyes. I just thought the pizzas were really cute. And then all the sodas. This would be a cute little spread to make, like a summery barbecue weekly spread in a planner. So, all right, this sticker seemed to be new as well. I thought that the way that they laid it out was really interesting. You can see that you can like tear them into sections. I'm not really sure what their thought process was on that, but I thought that the stickers were really cute. A little safari theme. That gorilla is adorable. Yeah, I really love this too. Who's the most adorable in here? That turtle is really cute. A random palm tree. Okay. All right. And then I found the real, I say real with quotes because really it's up to you to decide what you define as planner stickers, but right, these are like the functional ones where you can identify bills and tasks. So as you can see, it has the crafter's, excuse me, the crafter's square. And I don't know if I have this one or not. I feel like I haul so much that sometimes a lot of this stuff is running together for me. But for some reason, I don't remember having this in my collection. Like the phone stood out to me, the glasses stood out to me. This has, you can do now, plans, relax, payday, hustle hard, good ideas, hello weekend. This is $1 and look how many stickers you get. This one I really liked because, you know, I love the colors and the fruit that you're gonna see in the back and all the food. So this has like a grocery food-like theme, the watermelon, the grocery carts. I mean, the grocery carts are so impressive. This truly looks like this came out of an Etsy shop. I mean, look at the hot dogs. That's so cute, you know? If you start going to like baseball games or whatever, that would be a cute little indicator. And then look at these circle icons. Payday indicators, or if something's due, more grocery carts. Okay, let's see. I've got another basket or another bag here. Okay, I found, this is like a mini version. They sell these in the teaching tree in a larger size, and then if you go into the organizing section, they make more of these in a bigger size, but they have like holes in them. You can buy maybe like one of the same color. If you just like one color, then you can really organize and make it look very IKEA-like. I did not see white though, and that's a really good color for just I think, a crafting room rather than a teaching room. Color is great for kids, definitely, but for, you know, us ladies, I think white is also a really good option they should put out. And then storage trays. Look at this, you get 3 for $1. This is excellent for a teacher. And yeah, storage trays. I don't know if they're stackable or not. I don't think so, because if they were stackable, I don't know what I just said. I really don't. You can just see the color combinations. I think there are even other different color combinations, but this is what I went with. So I thought that was a great find. Also new, I've never seen it before. These I think I've purchased, but I'm getting another packet just in case, because I always get, I wouldn't say nervous is a little much, but I always get worried, I don't know, that something won't come back. So if I really like something, I like to stock up on it. So I got these wood letters, and I got 2 packs. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, they put out some new ribbons, so be on the lookout if that's something that you like to pick up at Dollar Tree, but you haven't been looking lately because they haven't been doing anything new. They've been doing some new stuff. I picked up some basic colors that I always go to my craft room for and I can't find. So I was super excited when I found the black and the white. So I think these are fantastic. I love those. Okay, let's see. Let's go for, okay, you guys are gonna love this. I found these color your own ornament. It's a 5-piece wood chips of hearts with the arrow going through. And they do have the string, so if you did want to make it an ornament, you could. This would be cute if you want to have your child paint and maybe like write their teacher's name or their teacher's initial. And then if you're giving them a gift, you could just use this as the gift tag. That would be a really cute idea. So I would probably paint this one instead, is what I would do, and then I would turn it into a garland. So there's that idea for you. Okay, I found some chalk tags, also Crafter Square, and I have been waiting for these. Look, they're gorgeous, and you get 4 for $1. Love this like banner style. And then I picked up 3 because it's Valentine's Day. I picked up 3 of the heart. What? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Just alone, turn it into some garland, string it up, and it's just so farmhouse and beautiful. You could put these in picture frames. Oh my gosh, so probably my favorite find of this entire haul. And we're finally coming down to the last couple of things. In addition to those chalk tags, I found chalk writers. Wow, what? So you can write with chalk, wet erasable. So if you wet the chalk sign, it will remove this ink. Mess and dust free. And I found white, green, pink, and blue. I have no idea how great these are, but I'm letting you know that I thought they look good. I mean, but that doesn't really mean anything, right? I mean, let's just face it. There's yellow on this, so I did not find a yellow. That's not to say there's not a yellow, but I'm crossing my fingers. These are great. And that's it. I just got through a whole video. It's pretty long, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I hope that you guys liked the unedited version. I don't think at this point I'm gonna demonstrate the Wacka pack. Maybe I'll do it over on Instagram, so be sure to follow me over there. And I need to sit down. Who knew standing for 20 minutes was a lot? Anyway, bye.